Create a design of your choice and click on the image from the deck and resize it to the canvas and duplicate it. Select the first image and then remove the background. After removing the background, you can see there are two images, one without background and one with the whole image. Right click and click on layers and show layers. Click on the back image and click on edit and select blur effect in the effects section and click on whole image and keep the intensity between 50 to 60. You can see the image, the background is blurred and the image in the front is normal.